ka la lebala ka sisira kopana le sentse ke le tseleng ya ke lo etsa shooting ka 6 ka la lebala show ya ne ya Monafiki kane sentse ke le tseleng le mama ke sentse ke tsa appointment le o bona ke taxi guys ke taxi ke ya ntho ke le prepare shooting har kopaneng 6 o'clock skala le bana reka di-popcorn chances popcorn ke lebetse reka mahe ice guava di-smoothies Johnny ntate Ditšhaba ke lebetse reka ice guava mahe smoothies popcorn Kanet ke lebetse re feta pele Nomi guys abuti wa ka na le mothatha wa pele Nomi ko thusitsa abuti wa bana ba sa mo thusitse white feet oh maruna la jalo ka white feet or jo ka re pa no ke na okay ke le go this guy u feel or ke Pastor November arwa feel or ka ru Pastor November hello, welcome.
Yeah, this is the one about this sometimes like they take it more.
I know Bonnie Vandaag. No, thank you so much, man.
My pleasure.
I think you are blessed, man. Johnny. lebala hlabana re kopana mantsibana ka 6 ya la qeta data novi go shota ka go shota guava ngwana ro go shota guava juice le mahe le di smoothies le di peanuts le di popcorn. My di popcorn le ice guava. Let us show you 6. Let us show you 6. Who shot down at a grey out? Who shot down? Kiddy peanuts, ice guava, smoothies, popcorn, and the incana, a shot down. And not better to get a big seat. How did the big seat? Who shot down? Someone and something. Alison Carré, who shot down Cleveland? How did he exit? Oregon. Carré Cleveland. Le dampi chiamo 5. Dampi chiamo 5. Le egna di la 6. O campare bo banana. Chocolate. Ka taxi. Rebaga di major thing. Oh, Fifi. Goodbye. Sharp guys on the banana. He got tell me. Kapal batom puna ikitewa. Shota. KFC, yes. KFC. The major things that is only big feet. Only big seat. Utanzu ureke mahi, popcorn, linto. Ushotanga guys, kitotya washa bananjweza mbuya nini. Totya wa. As guava ke badi. Guys guava mai, the peanuts, popcorn, maitele, little smoothies. Yes guys, Argo Panenka 6 o'clock. a le mpolaile ka dragoni ka fish and chips ka mmedi gore o shota tsona a le mpolaile ka le tla shebela ona mona ka 6 o'clock ke na le show ka 6 o'clock mo re buang ka ha o molahle ke eng if relationship ya hao e sa sebetse ba o sukudisa le sukudisana re fana ka ke tshelo jwale ke tse ke thewa kerekeng ya Pastor November guys ha re kopaneng ka 6 Khubai. See you na guys Hussein Monday motivation ne ke ba ka hore life ina le decide tse pedi ena le life ina le two side difficult side and the simple side nje na ke phela la just the simple life simple ke tswa taxi rank ke kalametse taxi a ke mind ke na le dikoloi tse emeng ka tlung nka be ke require still a taxi koloi ye nngwe ya ka ya tsa feme ya ka ke tse koloi tsa feme tse ding ke tse oh so lovely ke go bala mmona ha sa kenya makeup mo shebe ha sa kenya makeup sheba mo so lovely ha sa kenya makeup la o so lovely Nike shaba batho
ba shebile
bona cleavage re abuse you are straight waiting place re abuse you are straight Kosa matso re bo ska hula
it is ending that mkhudi
o qeta yo hula no la bona kerekeng ya morena Jesu batho ba phela jwang
Wow, jega ntate mkhudi wena ha re kopaneng ka 6 mo mo lahlekile
bye